Old Celtic Farmer here. You're looking at a second Harbor Freight greenhouse that I'm building. It's a big mess back here, but I've been working on this. You can see that the other one's over there. I bought a second one. These two barrels here, I'm going to build a biodigester. That way you can make your own methane gas, so I can use it for my my little camp stoves or water heater or gas water heater, anything like that. So I'm going to build a couple of biodigesters there. What I want to show you is what I call the jelly bucket system. Right now I've got 2 rolls done, so that's why I've been really running late on videos. And there's going to be a 3rd roll down below there that I'm going to put in. Basically what this does is it pulls water from the aquaponics system, gets pumped up, comes over to the top row, drops down, comes through the 2nd row, drops down, and it'll fill up the 3rd row, and then goes back to the aquaponics system. And I also will have valves on each one of the lines that you can turn them off, so that way you can hold the water in all these, and that way you're recycling the water. Low footprint. Over there you can see my arcs. I'll explain what the arcs are later on. You can see how they're growing like crazy. Again, they are a low footprint type of growing system. Basically, the water comes in, takes care of everything, and then goes back to the aquaponics. So our jelly bucket system, the arc system, and I'll explain to those later on in another video. What more could you ask? Have a blessed day.